Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, shit. Hold on a second. It is an underground bunker. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I can. Oh no, I think I turned this off. Fuck. Nah. Never mind. I tried. Man, I'm getting hella fucking noise here. Better. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Come on. This guy. What's good, everybody? Good morning, good morning. All right. Let's get into it. He's like, let's just act like I've been here the entire time. I was trying to turn on this other light, but so it doesn't look too dark, I guess. The light is on though. This guy. Alright, bro. Chill. Anyways, let's look at GJ. What do you guys want to do here? Buy or sell? What'd you say? Both? Hold. So we've been pushing down here. We got a bullish candle right here. 14 hours left on this current daily candle. But it's been bearish, right? Bullish on the weekly. We got this massive wick here, took out the liquidity from down here. It's probably gonna pull up a bit. That's what it's doing now. Go to 4 hour. 4 hour price action to the downside, creating new lows. We're right here at this level of resistance. We're kind of just rejecting. We could see this turn over here or come up to take liquidity over here before it comes down here. One or the other. One or the other. Let's look at the news. So today during the live session, we're just trading the breakout strategy, guys. Quick, simple, just looking for 10, 15, 20 pips in and out, baby, in and out. All right, so we should be, well, actually there's some news at 2 a.m. for GBP. So we want to be aware that this is on, okay, yeah. So in about 45 minutes or so for GBP, there's going to be some news, so we want to be careful with that. Now let's look at it on the 15-minute. We already got this like crazy wick right here. But really, if we're looking for a breakout, you know, I'd be looking for sales under here. Basically targeting this level, or breakouts to the upside would be above here. Targeting this level here. All right, if you guys want me to send the chart, let me know in the chat. 21, yeah, about 20 pips there. To the downside, we've got an opportunity of about 50 pips. Yeah, what's good, everybody? Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat. If y'all want to look at a certain pair, let me know in the chat. We can take a look at it. I'm looking at primarily GJ right now. I was looking at gold, but dude, gold flew up, and right now it's just consolidating in this crazy range right here. So I don't know, man. I mean, this could just range for a bit. Check this out. Weekly, boom, boom, boom. Last 3 weeks, bullish. Daily, look at this. All this bullish, 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 bullish. Just barely today's daily candle is bearish, and this could just be establishing the bottom wick before it goes up. Remember, guys, the market, the market, just because it's at this high and it's been pushing up, doesn't mean, oh, now it's time for it to come down. I don't care what your RSI says. I don't care what your MACD says. I don't care if it says it's overbought. Listen, I'm telling you, the market can always go higher. Trust me, man. I've been in that position where I'm like, nah, it's got to come down, or it's got to come up, but it ain't got to do shit, man. I'm telling you that right now. So don't play yourself. Don't start putting in sales just because it's been pushing up for so long. Just be patient. Be patient. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. We got nothing but time. Nothing but time. All right. 4 hour. Looking at on the 4 hour. Yeah, you see a lot of the ranging right now. See, it's just been ranging really. Yeah, I mean, maybe you can catch a play in the range. That's about a 90 pip range. But really, do you want to? Probably not. If you take a look at just what's been going on today, you can see this price action here. So it's to the downside, but we had this last little extension here, right? And this could be usually kind of, we get this push right before we get a pullback, and we can either continue, come test the previous highs, yesterday's highs, Asian session highs, liquidate, and then fall over. Does that make sense? Like, you get this push here, then you can get this pullback up here, convince everybody of buys because of the break, and then it could just come out. All right. So if I was to trade this, I'll probably look for sells under here, with the target here, which would be about 36 pip range. For buys, let's see, what is this? 21, 76, 24. Oh, it's not too bad. right here. It's about 23 pips. But I'd like to be a little bit safer than that. It's Tuesday, we're just starting the week. We don't really want to be too risky. It's beginning of the week, guys. Beginning of the week. Honestly, just to be super safe here, I'd probably say above here. Yeah. And that might take a minute because this could very well just, oops, just bounce up between here and here. Makes sense? Yeah, gold wildin'. 100%. What up, Christo? What up, Fidos? How's it going? How's it going? Alright, so there's the setups, guys. If you guys want them, I can send the chart to the Telegram. Just let me know if you guys want that. If you guys are looking for my links, they are all here for the free Telegram. You know what? This is gold on the 15-minute chart. And this is GJ. All good, brother, all good. I've been having a lot of changes happening. A lot of life changes, man. Good changes, though. Good changes. You know? A lot of life been happening in the past 3 months. Usually I take off like November, December, January, and then like February I start checking out the market. But we're officially in March. Market is good, and you know, I'm ready to get back to work. So I will be doing our live sessions as usual. Dog's good. Dog's good. Big. Well, not big, but I mean, he's a Frenchie, right? Like, he's just getting fatter. We just recently moved at the beginning of the year, and like, he's getting used to his new neighborhood, like community and house and all that. But I mean, he gets pretty comfortable pretty quick. He's asleep right now. Yeah, he usually gets up with me when I get up, but I guess he was tired today. He had too much fun. Pablo lives the life. He lives the dream. I gotta go take him to get like groomed. Not groomed, like he doesn't need a haircut, but for them to wash him and clean him, he's just, he gets real stinky real quick. You only want to pipe in when you want to talk shit, bro. This guy, whatever. What up, what up? Still in Dallas? No, I'm not in Dallas. No longer in the States, actually. I am not living in the US anymore. I said goodbye to the US. Bro, the Cowboys, man, everybody made free agency moves except for the Cowboys. Like, what the fuck, man? Did you see that? Everybody got a deal. Like, everybody they're all the best free agents, like all the best free agents, like basically got signed day one. And then, like, I seen a meme on Instagram. You ever remember that, bro? That's whatever, man. But like that meme, you know, where everybody's like frozen, and then like the camera's like panning through and everybody's like not moving. Have you seen that like trend, that challenge? You know what I'm talking about? Well, there was one that like Jerry Jones did with Stephen Jones, and they're like, I think they're on a private jet, and everybody's like frozen, and they're like playing through that, and it says, every time free agency come around, Dallas Cowboys be like, like they do nothing, bro, and it's ridiculous. Like, I'm getting tired of it. Yeah, only 20 years left in you. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. The rest of my life. No, hopefully I live longer than 20 years, but yeah, man, I get it. Yeah, 20 years is gonna be a little short. No, but yeah, dude, I don't know. Honestly, I don't even want to watch him. Like, if Dak Prescott's still the quarterback, I don't really feel confident. I mean, he might get us to the playoffs, but we ain't winning no championships with him. Yeah, Dak is just. You remember how, like, Peyton Manning used to be with the Colts? Like, he had like a hell of a season, and he'd even take him to the playoffs, and maybe every now and then, you know, win one of the playoff games. But he could never get to the game. You know what I'm saying? And then he went to Denver and he went to the Super Bowl. But that's what I feel like Dak Prescott is. Like, he's just not. And then Tony Pollard took off to where? To the Titans. Tony Pollard took off to the Titans. So who do we have as a running back? Fucking Dowdle? Like, you know what? Call Zeke back. Oh man, come on, dude. Really? That little dude, bro? That Mighty Mouse guy? Nah, bro. Nah, not that good. I mean, dude, we need a back that's like every down back, bro. We need an every down back, bro. There's no way. Especially with fucking Prescott. We need an every down back. There's no fucking way we make it with that little dude. Bro, he's like 5'8", what, 5'5" or something like that. He literally looks like Mighty Mouse. Like, he's a little running back. I mean, yeah, his pockets ain't little, I'm sure. He's a professional athlete. I mean, I'm sure he's making money, dude. Shit. Oh, bro, you know what I was watching today? I was watching Damn, how did you know? Are you in my Netflix account or what? Yeah, so I was watching Full Swing too, and I was watching. I didn't know Matt Fitzpatrick had a younger brother that played as well. Yeah, and like he played like really good on last year in the I don't forget what one of the opens or something like that. Yeah, and he played better than his brother, than Matt Fitzpatrick, which I thought that was interesting. Yeah, who? Oh, yeah, no, he won the US Open, bro. Yeah, but that's what they were talking about. Like his brother was like, I'm living in the shadow of my older brother, and like, you know, I want to establish myself. Everybody talks about, like, they talk to him and they're like, oh, how's your brother doing, this and that, and then they're like, oh, you play golf too? And he's like, yeah. But it's because he's like been trying to get on tour. He hadn't been on tour, and like he's been trying to get on tour. Yeah, but after that, yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. Like, he ended up placing, I think, like 4th or something like that, and he was playing in a major like tournament with like all the like top players. So like he made a name for himself basically. That was like that last episode that I saw. I haven't finished the season, but I kind of like it. I like it. I was laughing my ass off when they started the season talking about, oh, you know, the integrity of the game, PGA. We're not down with live. they announced, the commissioner's like, we're gonna merge with live, and Rory's like, man, I feel like a sacrificial lamb up here. I was like, that sucks, bro. You went all in. And then all those other dudes, they got paid, bro. I was like, man, that sucks, dude. Fucking Brooks Koepka got like $150 million or some shit. I'm like, damn, dude. Just to go play, bro. Not even the tournaments themselves. Like, he still made money off the tournaments themselves. It's ridiculous, bro. Like like $350 million for, yeah, I would have gone too, bro. I don't care. He's like, you sell out. You damn right. Yeah, and then they're like, oh, well, you guys won't be able to come back to play PGA Tour. Yeah. Yeah. That's hilarious. Oh man, yeah. No, but I feel like they were talking about, oh, you know, who ends up like winning in this situation. All the players that declined contracts, like, do you believe they're entitled to compensation? They were asking Rory, and he was like, well, yeah. I'm like, that sucks. Now they ain't gonna give y'all no money. If this thing breaks right here, no. What was it? Really? How many people is it right now? GJ's pushing down. Ooh, look at that. Just wicked down and pulled up. I wouldn't be surprised if this bounces off here and pushes up. Bounces off, pushes up. Man, this would be nice though too. If this came down here, just because it has a longer risk to reward. Got about 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. And we got about 15 minutes before London Open. Got about a minute and a half to the downside here. Oh, GJ is breaking to the downside. This would be a quick scalp, guys. Quick scalp. We got about 45 seconds. It's right at the line here, guys. I'm waiting to see if it's going to break and close. Remember, I want the candle to close below this yellow dotted line. Not just wick, right? Like, we want the candle to be below. It's kind of pulling back there. And then gold is doing the same thing here. So this candle didn't break it. It's 5 seconds in, hasn't pushed down below. So let's just give it some time. Patience, 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 patience. Damn, they're both kind of pushing down. Oh. Let's see here. Well, the stops aren't set yet until the candle breaks, right? Because it's going to be above the previous wick. So if this candle closes below, then it would be above it. But I would want to see a wick, right? Like this. See, this candle doesn't have a wick yet to the top, so it's kind of tough, you know. Like I wouldn't want to put it there. I would put it above this one, which right now is about 18 pip stop. And on gold right now, this would be like a 15 pip stop, but that's if we enter here, you know. So usually we're looking at about a 15-20 pip stop on average. Yeah, we got about 11 minutes and 40 seconds left on this candle. She's breaking down to the downside right now. Why do I want it to have a wick? It's just the way price action flows, right? You get nice movement and continuation when you have a wick to both sides. When you don't have a wick, like for example, if this just comes down with no wick to the top and it closes and I want to get in, then more than likely it's going to pull back just because of that kind of imbalance of not having wick. And it doesn't necessarily happen all the time. Like, it's just enough times for me to make it a rule. Right? So you see, now it's creating that top wick. When you see candles that have both top and bottom wicks, it's like nice price action movement continuation, you know? Oh, look, here comes gold. 10.5 minutes. I don't know if both of these trigger on this candle in the next 10 minutes. I think I might want to take GJ. Well, you see, this has already moved. $20 pips to the downside, and this has moved. Yeah, about same 20 pips. What? I'm not ignoring anybody. Oh yeah, I see. Hello teacher, what's good? Missed you too, brother. I'm back. Gotcha. Do we wait for 15-minute confirmation candle or 5-minute is good enough? Honestly, it depends what you're trading. I like to wait for the 15-minute because the 5-minute can be like the strength of the 5-minute. I don't really like it, but you can scalp on the 5-minute, you know, like if you're playing around on the 5-minute. But the thing is your rules might change, right? Maybe on the 5-minute you don't pay attention to the no wick rule, you know. I like the 15-minute. It's just what I've always used. It's what's giving me a higher percent win rate. See, this is already pushing up, and this kind of candle right here is an indication of price reversal. So we may see this just bouncing off of this level of support to the upside. Gold is actually pushing down. We got about 8.5 minutes. I like this little wick that it formed here. It has a small wick to the upside. But you see it's pulling back up above the line, so we want to wait for the candle closure. That's why it's important for us to wait. Seven and a half minutes, guys. 7.5 minutes. Gold pulling back up. GJ coming down. fuck, I forgot to send this message. That's funny. Five minutes. GJ pushing back up. Gold is still pushing down. Yeah, we might have an opportunity here with gold. We've got 4.5 minutes. All right. 4 minutes here. Gold pulled back up. GJ coming down. Damn, indecisive today. Indecisive. So, I want to show you guys something. The price action here has broken this low here, moving it bearish, right? So then you have this current candle, daily candle, that's already pushed up, created its top wick. We have about 14 hours left on this daily candle, and there's liquidity above here and below here. It's already pulled up. Now this could be a point of reversal, but I want to show you that this, where the wick came, is down here where this wick is at, where this range is at. And if we move further, we can probably find other levels of resistance. So kind of like a push down, pull back, kind of like a break and a retest. This candle could close inside and then continue to the downside. Or know that if this is the trend to the downside, this candle here, this daily that opened up here, eventually will be bearish if the trend is to continue. Anything above is an opportunity to get in at a good price for a lower price, right? If the trend is to continue. So understanding that, then you begin to understand that, okay, where price is at right now, we have a nice opportunity to the downside, right? The only thing is that although that can be right, like we don't know if from here it's going to start melting. We don't know how much more will it pull back, right? We don't know if it'll come back up above here, if it'll come back up here. We have no idea, you know, and that's part of the game. Right? Look at this, pulling back up. We got 1.5 minutes, so this isn't going to be the candle. This one either. None of these want to go, none of these. Patience, guys. Patience. Oh yeah, by the way, the news at 2 a.m. We can be careful with that too. In 1 minute, the the Telegram that has the copying, well, not the copying. What it is I opened up a separate Telegram that's connected to my MetaTrader that literally, when I take a trade, it sends it to the Telegram in a way where you can connect like copiers from that to your MetaTraders. So every trade that I take on there, it'll send to you like what it is, what I'm taking, if it's a pending order, you know, when I adjust stop loss to break even, when I take partials, you know, all that good stuff. So that Telegram is open, and I think I put like for the first 25 people to get in at the price of $25. So, and I know there's like still room, but that Telegram is up and going now. For the VIP is where I'm doing the live sessions. London session I'll stream on YouTube, but my New York sessions I do with my VIP, and I'll send out swing setups. The thing is with like scalps, unless I'm doing live, I can't send them out. It's too, like, you guys won't get in at a good price. People over leverage, people will get in late, and the easiest way to do that is through that Telegram that I set up. That will, I've sent out the format that it does it. It basically tells you if it's a buy or sell, pending order, what the pair is, what price that I get in at, the stop loss, the take profit, and the risk to reward. So just letting you guys know that is available. Now, I mean, there's not really any pair that moves through all sessions. Like that's kind of, you got to understand, everything's always going to move, but what is its current phase, right? Is it ranging? Is it trending up, or is it trending down, right? And it's not always going to be trending up or trending down, because it needs to range. Like the phases of the market, that's just the way it goes. It goes up, it ranges, then it comes down, it ranges, it comes up, ranges, comes down. Or it could go up, range, go up, range, go up. Or it could go down, range, go down. Like, I mean, you got to figure out what phase the market is currently in. What news came out, right? Oh, wow. Would have been nice. But that's news. Like, I don't trade news, so that's this news right here. GBP. Yeah, damn. Would have been nice. It is what it is. Yeah, also guys, here at this link, you guys can find the broker that I'm using this year. I don't know if you guys noticed, but a lot of shit went down with a lot of different brokers, prop firms, all kinds of stuff, especially with US residents. A lot of issues. People getting their license taken away, brokers shutting down, all kinds of things. Anyways, I found a broker that allows U.S. residents and or U.S. citizens, and they still work on MetaTrader, and they work great. So If you want to know what broker I'll be using for 2024, just go to the link there, and you'll find it in the links. No, I don't really think that is a fake out. I think we would see further. Let me see something. I want to see. Yeah, so London is just now opening. And so we have the high and the low of the session. Right now it's at the low. Usually the market will take liquidity from one end and then it'll go to the other end. So right now it could take the liquidity here and possibly give us the opportunity to hit our TP1 before it comes all the way back up. That's the scalp, right? It's not this move, it's just this move. Does that make sense? This is pushing back up. I like this indicator for the sessions because it's easy to tell the phases, right? For example, you see here, ranging, London pushes down, pulls all the way back up into Asian's session. This was Friday, it tapers off. Like if we look previous week, this is Wednesday, last week. We have this ranging, then we have London, boom, push down. I think this, we got 8 minutes on this candle. I don't think it'll be one that I'll get in because, well, it's still 1 to 1. This is bounced off. This was the low. It just created. London just opened. So now maybe we'll see this push up. Who knows? Or it may just range. Banks just moved here to Mexico. That I did actually. Yeah, that's where I moved. Been living here since January. Mexico. Wow. This thing, man. We just want to wait a little bit, be patient. Let price action tell us a little bit more about what it wants to do. Yo, King, you still there? Oh, you stopped streaming? What are you doing? Oh, Just noticed I was a little quiet. We should wake Carl up. What up, Carl? Good morning, sunshine. Yeah, blame it on me. It's 7 a.m. It's coffee time. Damn. He's like, we got cereal, ain't got no milk. We got peanut butter, ain't got no jelly. He never got no two things that match in this house. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. Honestly, we probably could take a cheers. Man. Yo, what up, CJ? Morning, buddy. We're doing good. We're doing good. Just here playing with the charts, playing with people's emotions, playing with this monopoly money. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take a sell here on GJ, because down here where the risk to reward is no longer in our favor, and yeah. We're probably going to see like a pullback. So I'd rather wait. Wait a little bit. Gold is pushing up. We are not in any trades right now. We're gonna be live all week. All right, this candle just finished. That was the opening London candle. Still waiting, guys, still waiting. GJ, I'm not getting into this one just because the risk reward. Actually, we might be able to get in on a pullback. Well, it is 1-to-1 right here, but I would really like a pullback before I get in. Are taxes cheaper in Mexico for traders? I don't know. I mean, I just moved here in January, and all of my stuff is still like, I have a business in the US and my taxes go through that. I guess I should find out probably this year. I'm still a US citizen. Like, it's not like I renounced my citizenship. But I guess in order for me to do my taxes here in Mexico, I would need to like open up a business here, register all that. Well, Hello Teacher says that taxes are cheaper, I guess. He said yes. Wait for GJ pullback. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. Any cartels near you? I doubt it. Well, maybe. Shit. I live in a private 24/7 security like community. Like, there's restricted access, and I mean, it's a nice community. But I guess that's where maybe some cartels would be at, probably in a nice community. But I have no idea, man. I mean, as far as like the stuff you see on the news, it's definitely I think a little blown out of proportion. Not that it's not true or doesn't exist, but it's just not as you see. It's not like everywhere, you know. There's certain areas like border towns and places where you know, these people are trying to strategically place themselves. Bro, I hope that wasn't the pullback. It's a little bitty candle. Like, I'd like it to come at least halfway above here. I can take advantage of that. Nice, typical media. Oh yeah, I don't know about Chiapas, but yeah, I know where it's not good. It's pretty bad. Like, if it is in that area, like if it exists or there's a presence in that area, I know it's not good. Because there's definitely bad places, but there's bad places all over, you know. I guess it's just, well, I don't know. I mean, I'm blessed enough to be able to choose where I live, and I didn't choose a place where you hear of bad things happening. Obviously there's some sort of violence everywhere, but yeah, I've seen like on the news places where it's really, really bad. Thankfully where I'm at, it's not bad. Alright, I think I'm gonna take a sell here on GJ as soon as we get a little bit more of a pullback. I want to see price come at least to half of this candle to take a sell. That would be nice. That would be nice. Cheers, Carl. Send me a song where? I can't listen to Spotify on the stream because I'll listen to it later. My hums? Crazy. That's crazy. What? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Is food better in Mexico or not? Not really. Yeah, I mean, Mexican food is, I don't know. I mean, what? Yeah, yeah, it's literally like, think about wherever you live right now, and if it's not in Mexico and you like Mexican food, it's much, much better in Mexico. But like, if you're like you know, like really enjoy McDonald's type of thing, like it's probably not the best over here, you know. Is that's your read the room? Yeah, no. The other day we had what was it? Like Pizza Hut. Yeah, I don't know. But the food tastes different. Like the places that are here, No, not a Raising Cane's. But like I went to like a Chili's once, and it was a little different. They have Buffalo Wild Wings, like Wingstop, like the what? I don't know. I haven't had them, but I mean, you get a lot of food over here, like literally taco places like everywhere, like, and they're absolutely delicious. And then there's like a lot of like really good steakhouses and nice places to go. Bangs, do a vlog about your new life in Mexico. Maybe you should. We'll see. Do girls dress sluttier in Mexico? What? I don't know, man. To be honest, like, no. Honestly, I think that in the U.S. they do the most. In Mexico, you find way more conservative, like, women. But I mean, it does exist where you get the that U.S. influence coming in. Yeah, I just think in the U.S. there's way more of that express yourself kind of notion, and so you get a lot of people acting up. But yeah, I think there's a lot more conservative women, like traditional women in Mexico. Are you what? Are you saying being gay in Mexico? I don't know what that means, bro. You down bad, Joey? CJ. That's funny. Yeah, because girls are technically safer in U.S. I miss the sluts from Cali. That's true. This guy, yeah. Those exist everywhere, man. Well, let's not focus on that. Let's focus on trades. All right, guys. So we're getting a pullback right now. It's going to be about a 20 pip stop. That's what we're going to end up taking right now on GJ. I'm going to go ahead and take the sells, guys. Taking sells. I jumped in on this here at, what's my price? My entry price is 188,793. About a 20 pip stop. TP1 is going to be right here, 188,593. We took a sell here, guys, on GJ. First trade of the day, first trade of the week. Let's see how it goes. So far, looking lovely. We're up about 4 pips. Not bad. Just be a little patient here, guys. Let price do what it do. Oh, I should probably put this. Yeah, if you're in my Telegram with the LB Trades one, you'll get the updates of when I'm in, out, all that good stuff. My stops, take profits, and all that. This was a beautiful entry, beautiful trade. We're up about 7 pips. Remember, guys, we're just trying to take a quick scalp trade. Not trying to swing for the fences here. Quick scalp trade. Quick scalp trade. Cheers. Nice, congratulations. Damn. It's up about 8 pips. What's gold doing? What I want to see here is, you know, this low being broken, the wicks being broken, new lows being created. We want to see that momentum and that volume to the downside. That will give me the confidence to stay in the trade and keep it going. Bro, honestly, that entry right there was really nice. Real nice. Real nice. Who's new here? Anybody new? We got like 40 people in the stream. Is it all my OG people? Man, I need bro, did I? I gotta take a leak. OGs only. Why? My chat? Oh yeah, I know. I'm getting messages about it. Like, I'm like, let's not speak that way and scare my 10% female viewership away. Let's talk about trades. Anyways, we are up about 15 pips here. We're headed towards TP1, about 4 pips away. Looking lovely, looking lovely. Remember, guys, at TP1, remember what we do. Close partials and that's funny. Close partials and adjust your stops to break even. Don't be a fool. Ooh, she's looking lovely. She is about 3 pips away. Is 3 pips away. I'm gonna close probably about 80%. Leave a 20% runner. It's first trade of the week, guys. I just want to secure profits. After I secure profits, I will be adjusting my stop to break even. She's pumping down. She is about 4 pips away. We're up 16.3 pips. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Almost there. 17 pips. We're about 3 pips away, guys. 3 pips away. Here we go. Here we go. About 2 pips away. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take my partials, guys. I'm not gonna play with this. Took my partials, adjusting my stops to break even. Risk-free trade. And no one's the wiser. We'll just let the remaining percentage run. And we'll enjoy that. I mean, she's still pumping down. She's about 2 pips away from TP1, but I wasn't going to risk my money on 2 pips. That's a spread, so. Nice. So that was my partials. Yeah, it shows it partial close. Okay, cool. Partial close, and then adjusting my stop loss. Cool. That way for the people that are in the Telegram. That's a win, ladies and gentlemen. That's a win. You guys want to wait for the bell to ring? I don't have the horns, guys. My freaking stream deck is not working right now. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Quick trade. That's how we do it. We'll be here all week, ladies and gentlemen. Be here all week. Did anybody take that trade with me, or am I just making money by myself? Nobody? Anybody? Anybody? Oh, my bad, Carl. I'm talking to my stream. Yeah, bro, nice. My trading view is at 188,627. Your screen says 188,745. It depends on which broker you're using on TradingView. So when you add a price in here, like for example, if you do Forex, you can type in here GBP, JPY. There's different brokers: Oanda, FXCM, Forex.com, Pepperstone, 8cap, ICE. You need to find the one that lines up with your broker. So whatever you see on your MetaTrader, for me, it's Oanda. So I use the Oanda one. So that's why you'll probably see a little difference. Wheels up, made 10%. Nice. That's what I like to see, baby. Make that money, get that bag. Secure that bag, homie. Here comes TP1. We're about 0.9. Not even a full pip. Half a pip away. 0.4. Here it comes. Ring. Ring, ring a ding. Right? Ding, 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 ding. I wish my stream deck would work, but it doesn't. I think though I have. No, I don't think it's on here.
Live Forex Trading with Lord Ben.
I don't know if that worked. Oh. I do got it. Did you hear that? Wait. No, you probably can't hear it because you're not on my stream. Wait, are you watching me on YouTube? This thing is taking forever just to hit TP1. Jesus. Fit Toss, did that answer your question about the broker and the pricing? Of the difference? That's why I tell you guys, like, too, when we're trading this stuff, pay attention to the candles and not the price. Like, because you got to look at it on your screen. There's always going to be a variance depending on your brokers. Unless you're using the one I'm using. I'm using Oanda charts and Ventura broker. You see this thing pulled back a bit? That's why I take profits before. Because you never know. You never know. How many times did you shift houses last 2 years? Last 2 years, just once. I was in one place all last year, and the year before that I was in a different place. Have you tried CoinX? No. Like broker? I have not tried them. You see, this thing is kind of pulling up already. That's why I tell you guys, don't let 1 pip, 2 pips stop you from taking your money. Like, don't get greedy. Just go ahead, take your partials. It's pulling back. You don't want to get stuck in this thing pulling all the way back. Shit, I might even close the rest of my profits. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and close. I'm closing out. Boom. Out. I'm out, skis. Done. That's it. We done. That's all we gotta do. GG's. Oh, GTs. Good trades. Ah, yeah. GTs. And that's it. Should we try to look for another trade? Yeah, last week was a shit week. A horrible week. And I still ended up with 1% profit. I think I lost... How many trades is it? I lost 9 trades. I took 13 trades, lost 9 of them. Yeah, won 4 trades. And I ended up closing with 1%. It was a shit week and I still made 1%. Right now for the week, I had a couple of trades last night and this morning for NAS 100 that I sent out. Actually, I didn't send out, I just sent out on the Telegram. Yeah, so this week so far, I've taken 6 trades. And that's another thing too, guys, on the Telegram. Because sometimes you'll see a trade twice, but that's just because I'm splitting my risk. Like, I'm setting one at TP1 and then the other one at my final take profit. Just because I don't want to have to close partials. So just FYI. Really, it's not 6 trades. Because it's only been 3. Because 2 of those were split, so it counts them like 6. Anyways, total 6, 4 wins, 2 losses, and I'm up right now in the week 4.44%, 444 with today's trade. I just sent that, and I'll send it to you guys on the Telegram. Good start to the week. $66% profitable and up 4.44%. It's not bad. See if we can keep it going. Yeah, I still have a trade running on Swiss JPY. Look, here comes to tap TP1 finally. There it goes. There it goes. Finally, tap TP1. We'll hit them horns. If you guys want to, oh, you know what? I don't have. Hang on a second. Okay, so I just added, if you go to this link tree, and the first link will give you access to the LB trades. The LB trades, I don't really talk in there. All it does is copy my trades from my MetaTrader. When I take a trade, when I add a pending order, when I close it, close partials, whatever I do in there, the scalps, all that, it sends it automatically to that Telegram. And what that does is it's easy for you guys to set up your own copy trader from Telegram to your MetaTrader. So you can automate it, like it'll be taking my trades. There's a couple of spots left for the $25 promo price. It's gonna go up. I just started it last week, so I'm kind of like ironing out the kinks. But it's running pretty nice. Damn, look at this. It's coming all the way down to TP2. Would have been nice. I closed all out at TP1. It's up about 30 pips. Would have been real nice. It's all good. So if you guys want to join that, links in there. There's a couple spots left at the $25 price. And yeah, that's it. Actually, here at this link, all my links are there. So whatever you're looking for. Where you get that London hat from? You like it, bro? You like it? I went to pick it up in London. No, actually, my mom went to London like 2 years ago. It was like 2-3 years ago, and she sent me like a box of like things that she bought me. Like my mom sends me like, I don't know, gifts all the time. And I hadn't opened it. Like it was like 2-3 years. I had like 2-3 packages from her that I hadn't opened, and they've been like traveling with me, moving and going all different places. And like a month ago, I finally opened up the packages, and this was in the box. So anyways, if you guys held on, GJ, it's about to hit TP2. You're up about 37 pips. You know, go ahead and take your profits. Don't be greedy. I don't think there's going to be another trade for me. I'd like to see gold create some kind of market structure break above here and a retest before continuation up to take the liquidity out from above here. That's probably going to happen in the New York session. It's not going to happen in the London, I don't think. So realistically, I don't think there's another opportunity for me. As far as GJ goes, I think that it's probably going to pull back here soon before a continuation to the downside, as it's been moving down, right? It's been moving down. Then we had this huge push up to take liquidity out here, and now we're seeing the continuation to the downside. So I think we do break these lows, but that might be happening in New York as well. So what you might see here is now a pullback back up into this area, retesting the break before a continuation. So hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you guys made some money with me, had a good time. I'll be back online for New York session at 8 a.m. with my VIP. If you're in there, I'll see you guys in. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow, London session, same time, 1 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other than that, much love, much love. I'm out of here. Peace.
Trading session in the books. Executing analysis, strategy, and discipline. Thank you for joining us for this live trading session with Lord Banks. Subscribe and turn on alerts so you don't miss the next Lord Banks live trading session.